the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got something interesting from, or I should say, for the United States. This is Kang Shi artificial Dongpo's braised pork flavor. Never met noodles. Never met them. I don't understand that. What I will tell you is that this brand is Kang Shi. There's a big company called, it's arranged by a big company called Ting Sin called Master Kong. Now Master Kong is also known as Kang Shi, but these are two different corporate entities. Okay, these guys say they have the copyright for Kang Shi, and it sounds like they do. Master Kong has the copyright for Master Kong. They both use little chef guys, but if you're looking for Master Kong and you see this, you could think this was that, but honestly, I don't know. I can tell there's definitely a difference. So anyways, we've got their Dongpo's Braised artificial. Xiao. And there's what it looks like all ready to go. So let's add some Wawa. There's our Wawa. And now, we need 3 minutes for that. Braised, that's not braised pork, but it's pork. I'm into pork. I really like pork. No offense to those who do not like pork. If you don't like pork, fine with me. Some people just don't dig on swine, that's all. Yeah. There's a little bit of water left to do up this pork. And I think it's already almost done. It's not braised pork, ladies and gentlemen. It's like, it's blanched pork, or I don't know what you want to call it. But yeah. Next. So I tried a new energy drink this morning. Oh my god. Oh my freaking god. Okay, here, I got some. Here, I'll show you. This one of them? Yeah. So I've been doing these bang drinks in the morning before I do all my walking. And I did a hazelnut one. They got these coffee ones now. And it's got protein and caffeine, and then this stuff called Super 8, and then it's got creatine. It said it's keto coffee. And let me tell you, I pounded that thing. It was really tasty. It's like 140 calories for the whole can. I was like, man, this is good. Glug, 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 glug. I go back, work on pictures for these reviews and stuff, and all of a sudden I'm like, oh my god, if I don't start like moving and doing stuff, my head's gonna explode. I'm serious. It was like not messing around kind of energy. It was, yeah, it was heavy duty. It was kind of freaky, to be honest. But yeah. So maybe tomorrow I'll split it into 3 sips. But you never know. But yeah, it felt like, you know, super energized to the point of concern. I've done, you know, things that'll give you a lot of energy in ways that normally aren't found at the store. And that's what that really reminded me of. But I haven't done anything like that since my youth. There we are. Now we're going to take this, now that this is all ready to go. Drop it in the pot like it's hot. Okay, now let's see how this Dongpo stuff tastes. It definitely looks like your standard kind of, yeah, kind of Chinesey. They usually kind of have a really white looking noodle and then a darker broth. We'll try the noodle. I'm guessing it's going to be slightly on the spongy side. Maybe with the way the noodles are acting, maybe a little bit tough. They don't look like they're all the way done. But they got their 3 minutes in the 3-minute bath. Yeah, no. Maybe with a little more time I'd be more thrilled. Broth. That I like. Yeah, that's good. Hot, but it's good. Mung beanie weenie. Those kind of chill in there for a minute. Today is Labor Day, actually. Happy Labor Day. A week, maybe 2 weeks late. How's it feel? Belated Happy Labor Day to you. But I'm telling you on Labor Day, so I don't know how that works in the grand scheme of things. Do I need to send you a card? I don't know. And I'm gonna slice up this meat. Oh, I think we're all dead, mate. If you know what that's from, comment below. Oh, I think we're all dead, mate. One of my favorite movie lines. Okay. This is getting ridiculouser by the second. Oh! Damn, this stove is just like such a magnet for ridiculousness. Okay, ridiculous stove. We got some, yeah. And where's our meat? Our meat needs to be visible. There's a little meat. God. If I only had some braised pork. Let's do a little bit of Szechuan pepper powder. Some, you know, I was gonna go with the tan, but I'm gonna go with black. Black sesame seeds. Whoops. ridiculous. I don't know. It makes sense and it doesn't make sense. It's probably the only time you're ever gonna see it. I don't know, maybe on Halloween. The human boombox. I don't know. But anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one and bye.